CactusVPN is a solid VPN option, but before you commit to it, here are 12 things you need to know. We'll break down how it stacks up against other leading VPN services, so you can make an informed decision. First off, CactusVPN provides a decent mix of features for casual users, but it doesn't quite match the advanced options offered by other services like NordVPN or ExpressVPN. While these bigger names have a broader server network, CactusVPN servers are still reliable, though more limited in number and locations. The second thing to note is the speed. CactusVPN offers good speeds, especially when using their smart DNS feature, which bypasses geographic restrictions without impacting your connection too much. However, when compared to the faster VPN services like ExpressVPN, it may feel slightly slower during peak usage times. Next thing is the ease of use. CactusVPN's user interface is simple and straightforward, which is great for beginners. You won't find the complex menus that some other VPNs feature, making it easy to connect and start browsing securely right away. Moving on to security, CactusVPN uses AES-256 encryption, which is considered industry standard and offers strong protection for your data. However, it lacks some of the advanced security features offered by competitors like NordVPN, which includes features such as double VPN and onion over VPN. The fifth thing you should know is that CactusVPN has a no-logs policy, which means they don't track your online activity. However, the company is based in Moldova, which is outside the 5, 9, and 14 Eyes alliance, offering some protection. But if privacy is a major concern, top-tier competitors have stronger track records in this department. The sixth thing to consider is the number of devices supported. With CactusVPN, you get 5 simultaneous device connections, which is decent but behind other services like CyberGhost or Surfshark that offer unlimited devices. The seventh thing is the server network. While CactusVPN has servers in over 20 countries, this is fewer than the thousands of servers available with industry leaders. So, if you're looking for a vast selection of servers, this may not be the best option for you. The eighth thing to know is that CactusVPN is relatively affordable. The pricing is reasonable for what you get, especially if you opt for longer-term plans. But again, some competitors offer more features for only a slight increase in price, so consider whether those additional benefits are worth it. The ninth point is the customer support. CactusVPN support is responsive, but it's mostly email-based with no live chat. So if you're looking for 24/7 assistance, you may find it slower than services that offer round-the-clock live chat support, like NordVPN. The 10th thing is that CactusVPN offers a smart DNS feature, which allows you to bypass restrictions on streaming services. This can be handy for accessing content from platforms like Netflix and Hulu, but the performance might not be as consistent as you'd get from VPNs with optimized servers for streaming. Next thing is the ability to unblock content. While CactusVPN does work with popular platforms like Netflix, some users report occasional issues with other streaming services. In contrast, ExpressVPN and NordVPN tend to be more reliable when it comes to unblocking content worldwide. The 12th thing is their free trial and money-back guarantee. CactusVPN offers a 24-hour free trial for some of its services, which is a great way to test things out before committing. If you want to cancel, you can get your money back within 30 days. This isn't as generous as the 45-day guarantee from some other top VPNs, but it's still a fair policy. So, is CactusVPN a good option? Yes, it's solid, especially for users who don't need the most advanced features, but want a simple, reliable service. But if you're looking for a VPN with a wider server network, more advanced features, and stronger security, there are other great options available. Check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free and see if it better meets your needs.